Life is good in America right now. Crime is down, the economy is doing well, but there's one thing that for some reason never seems to drop. The numbers on domestic violence don't seem to drop. And especially in South Florida, which is an area where people get very heated, domestic violence numbers are on the rise. So it's very important for you to know what to do in a situation of domestic violence. If you're in a situation where anyone you live with, doesn't have to be your spouse, it can be a boyfriend-girlfriend situation, any kind of lover situation. It can be brother and sister situation. Anyone that you have a relationship with where you live under the same roof and you have any kind of physical altercation or even verbal, it can be considered domestic violence. So if you are a person who lives with someone and you're constantly having verbal attacks on each other, and maybe it hasn't gotten to the level of something physical, you can still be charged in civil court with a restraining order for verbal abuse. And if it does get to the level of threats, then it can be a criminal case, possible harassment or possible assault. And then if you actually get into like physical fights, it can lead to a battery, which is also a domestic violence type charge. And it can escalate from just a simple misdemeanor battery to a felony, where sometimes you'll see felonies such as strangulation or kidnapping or false imprisonment. Something as simple as locking the door when you and your loved one are fighting. If you lock the door and you don't let them leave during the fight, that's technically kidnapping or false imprisonment in some sorts. So that's a felony. It's a huge deal. So be very careful when you're having arguments with your loved ones. Try to remain calm, try to keep it cool, and don't do anything that's going to put yourself in a situation where you're going to be locked up for domestic violence.